In this video, I'll show you how to restrict products by country in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we are on our demo site, and currently I'm trying to access a product which is restricted to customers in the UK. And here we can see a custom message riddled with typos letting us know that this particular product is restricted to customers in the UK. So again, you can tailor the message to whatever you want, or instead of showing a custom message, you can actually redirect the customer to a particular page. For example, if a customer tried to access this page, we can send them to maybe the shop page, or we can send them to a dedicated page explaining why this product isn't available within their country. Okay, so we've got two options there. Okay, and to achieve all this, we'll be using the WooSuite restriction rules plugin. So head over to woosuite.net, go ahead and download the WooSuite restriction rules plugin. I'll leave the link in the description below, and we'll also be using the MaxMind geolocation integration for WooCommerce to get the customer's IP address so we can detect what country they're in. Okay, so with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard and let's get started. So assuming you've downloaded a WooSuite restriction rules plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Navigate to activate, enter in your license key, then it will automatically redirect you to this add-on section, which I've got in a new tab. Okay, and then from here, we just need to scroll down to where it says restriction rules, which is here. I would just want to make sure we toggle this to on. Okay, so with it being toggled on, we can go ahead and click manage. Okay, so before we go ahead and configure our first rule, we just want to make sure we've got the MindMax WooCommerce integration active. Okay, so we'll quickly sign up for that service and activate it, and then we'll come back to this page where we'll go ahead and set up our rules to restrict products based on the customer's country. Okay, and then from here, you just go ahead and click sign up for GeoLeet 2. Just fill in your information, go ahead and click continue. Okay, so after you've signed up, you'll see this thank you page here, and then it will send you an email with a link to set your password. Okay, so go ahead and click on that link, enter in your new password, and then once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to where it says manage license key. Okay, so I've already created a license key, but in your case, you'll just go ahead and click generate new license key. Okay, give it a name, so you can say WooCommerce, for example, or whatever you want. It's just for internal purposes. Go ahead and click confirm. Once you've done so, you'll see your account number, and then you'll see your license key. You just want to go ahead and copy your license key. And with that information, we'll head back over to our WooCommerce dashboard. We'll navigate to WooCommerce settings and then integration. Okay, and where we see this MindMax geolocation, we just want to enter in our license key here, okay, and then just hit save changes, and then our site will be able to detect the user's location, and then we can start restricting products based on their location using the WooSuite restriction rules plugin. Okay, so with that being said, let's head back over to our restriction rules settings page, and let's go ahead and configure our first rule. Okay, and then from here, we just want to scroll down to where it says hide product rules. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and configure our rule. So here we'll say who do we want this rule to apply to. Okay, so we can set it to everyone, or we can set it to guest users, which are users logged out of our site, or a specific user role, or a specific user as well. Again, just to keep things simple, I'm going to set this rule to apply to everyone. Okay, and then here where it says choose country, we can select the country in which we want to restrict the product to. Okay, and we can choose multiple countries. Since I'm in the UK, I've just selected UK for this particular rule. And then here where it says filter by, we can filter by products from a particular category, a particular tag, or we can actually choose the specific products by just searching here. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it by restricting products from a category. And then here I've set the category to be photography. So it's going to restrict all products in our photography category to anyone from the UK, okay? So they won't see this on our shop page, they won't be able to search for it, and in the event that they access it directly, we'll decide how we want to deal with that situation. Okay, so we scroll down and we can ignore these settings. So if you wanted as well, you can enable this option where it says allow direct link access, which basically means that in the event that a customer, for example, from the UK has the direct product link, that they'll still be able to access the page. Okay, so you want to leave this disabled, so in the event that someone from the UK does have the direct link, they still won't be able to access the page. Okay, so here we've got two options. So this is an unreleased feature. So the order of this section here isn't quite what it should be. Okay, so in your case, what you'll see is here it will say restriction type, and then here you can specify whether you want to redirect them via a link or whether you want to show a custom message. Okay, so on my version here it's just showing both these options, okay, which won't be on the official version. Okay, so in your case you'll select whether you want to redirect them or show a custom message. So let's go ahead and select show custom message, and then here we can just go ahead and enter in our custom message. We can add multiple rules as well, so we can click add new rule, and then we can create a totally different rule. For example, we can restrict products based on a user role based on a particular country as well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and save changes, and let's go ahead and test out our rule. So I'll navigate to products and then categories. Okay, and then we can go ahead and select our photography category here. Okay, so here we can see these products are within our photography category. Okay, so let's go ahead and try view this particular product. Okay, here it's showing our custom message and the customer isn't actually able to access the product page. Okay, and if we went to the shop page, let's copy this name because we want to search for this as well. Let's navigate to our shop page and let's see if we can see this particular product within the shop page. And it's not here either. So let's try searching for this particular product. Okay, so there's no matching results. So our rule's working exactly as it should. And if we navigate back over to the settings page here, let's go ahead and navigate to hide products. Okay, and then this time we're going to set the restriction type to be redirect to a link. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to redirect them to the home page. In your case you can probably create a dedicated page to explain why they're not able to access the product. So let's just hit save changes. Okay, let's view this product. Okay, and as you can see it's redirecting us to our home page, which is working exactly as it should. And that's how you restrict products by country in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.